Guys, welcome back to another video. So who is ready to see what is behind door number 6? So 6 days now away from Christmas. Who's excited? What do you think it is? It is the gold holographic pen. Look at that. Should we have a look at it? See what it's like? Right, guys, so that swatched it because it had a coat of shiny no wipe top coat. But even though this hasn't got a tacky layer, I'm still wiping over it with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. Because I can't remember what day it was now. But when I tried to swatch the silver chrome powder, it wouldn't burnish in. Yes, it's working. Whoop whoop, it's working. So yeah, guys, if you ever... Because I have got some chrome powders that rub straight in to a no wipe shiny top coat the minute you pull it out the lamp. But then I've also got others like these that don't. So if you ever struggle and find that your chrome powder isn't burnishing into that top coat, give it a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol. Let that dry and then try burnishing it in. And it should work perfect. You can also undercure your top coat, but I find when I do that, it leaves it a bit bitty. It's the only way I can really explain it. It doesn't give it such a smooth application, where this way I still get that really nice smooth application. So that was what was behind door number 6. How beautiful is that? That is so sparkly. Look at the rainbow colours coming off it. Beautiful, beautiful. I actually haven't got a holographic gold chrome powder. I've got a silver, but I haven't got a gold. So I'm really, really happy with that. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope you'll join me tomorrow to see what is behind door number 5. Take care. Bye.